Right, let's get on to it, chaps. Okay, I'm Dave, and over the past year, I've been using all my experience and helped dozens of busy, ambitious guys get back their confidence, remove alcohol, get leaner, get fitter, get stronger, and become better leaders using the Onto methodologies and frameworks. Okay, and we do all this without the need for a one-dimensional PT or an exec coach who simply cannot be related to. Okay, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through one of the biggest myths around alcohol, and that is that it gives you confidence. Okay, and this is sneaky because it feels so true. Okay, you've heard it and you've probably said it. Yeah, I just need a drink to loosen up, just to take the edge off, or it helps me fit in a bit more. And it all sounds pretty harmless, right? But the thing is, most guys aren't choosing to drink for confidence. They're doing it on autopilot, and they're not even aware of the belief that they hold underneath. And that is the belief that they're not enough without it, that sober, they're somehow too awkward, too quiet, or too unsure. Okay, picture this. You're at a wedding or you're at a big event, loads of people there, you're wearing the suit, the tie feels a bit tight. You just walked in and scanned the room. There's a table of old school mates, the uncle who always talks about work, the DJ is testing the microphone for the speeches, and you clock the bar without even thinking. You head over and you order your pint, okay? And it isn't really about the drink, it's about the nerves. But you're never really going to admit it, not to your mates, not even to yourself. And you just got to say, I want to ease into the night. But the uncomfortable truth about it all is it's the alcohol doesn't make you more confident, okay? It just turns the volume down on your own inner critic. And if your confidence only shows up after a pint or two, then it ain't really confidence, it's just camouflage. Okay, so if you flip it and think about true confidence, it doesn't require a drink. In fact, true confidence is at its strongest when you can be in the very same room, sober, grounded, awake, and having fun. Okay, and that is a reframe, so write it down. Confidence is built in those small moments, saying hello without needing to be half cut, dancing while stone cold sober, owning your opinion when your voice still shakes. Okay, that is confidence. Not what you can do after a couple of pints, what you can do without a couple of pints. Okay, a lot of people lean on drink to get through the social stuff and believe that confidence only arrives after a couple of pints. Inside of Onto, we build confidence on purpose, not through pints. Okay, we show up without that buffer. We don't outsource self-worth to others or to a bottle, because if you need alcohol to feel confident, it's not confidence that you've got, it's actually avoidance. So next time you feel yourself reaching for a drink or ordering a pint when you don't really want to, you're just doing it to calm the nerves, just pause, ask yourself, am I building confidence or am I just borrowing it for the night? Okay, it only comes crashing back down again tomorrow if you're borrowing it. Confidence is actually clarity, and clarity never really comes in a pint glass. Okay, so that is the reframe. Write it down. I'll see you in the next one.